Today is a big day.
3, 2, 1.
Cub and Coney, my studio made store,
Oh, it's just me now.
is opening up.
I love it.
I'm driving down an hour to San Jose to go and help out with the opening ceremony, but it's going to be an all-day event. I feel like a bit of a mess because I've been working on last-minute merch for AMYC, and it's definitely been a hectic week, but like I'm so excited for my studio mates. I'm excited to just like be there for them and support them in what ways I can. Yeah, what a great way to end the week.
It takes a village to go crazy. Sandy, waiting for you now.
3 more.
Look at all these silly beads. Look at all these chickens.
Silly beads.
Silly beads. Silly girl with silly beads.
Look at their aprons. Oh my gosh. Work it.
We have that one, but it's so big.
Hello. Look at your cutie setup.
All right, one more. Thank you so much. Awesome, thank you. Two, jump.
3, 2, 1. Okay. 3, 2, 1.
I'll go like over the horse.
You got that?
Good morning. It is really loud outside. I guess there's construction, but I'm at the store. Look at all the cute goodies that we have. It's really good. This is one of my favorite items in the store. Little punk baby. I'm working today and it's slowed down a little, so I'm kind of taking some time to just talk with you all. So I just wanted to kind of go through a little day in my life as I work at the shop, because I am here for about a little over 8 hours. Yeah. I got a delivery in, so let's unbox some fun items. So we as a shop have been kind of considering more of how to make this shop more of like a cozy, fun vibe, like a nice get-together spot for people to come and get like last-minute gifts and whatnot. We've been bringing a lot more like apparel to work at the shop, and also more like just like fun household items that people would like. For example, vintage jewelry that a lot of us have thrifted. Melissa and Sudi also worked on making cute Cub and Coney bracelets. They're very sweet. We also got these like really fun candles that I feel like just kind of embodies like the funny, quirky mentalities that a lot of like artists love. And to broaden our horizons, I've been working with a company called Super Delivery. I've been very grateful to be sponsored by them and endorsed to try out some products to bring to the store. I'm really excited about these products because these are the type of products that like we as artists would get ourselves. All of us are big stationery artists. We love to make stationery, we love to consume the stationery, so why not bring some product over for, you know, our audience to enjoy as well. So let me tell you a little bit about Super Delivery. Oh my god! Super Delivery is a B2B wholesale company, so it's really good for small businesses like us and like my own personal store, where you could bring over a lot of like really fun Japanese goods and be able to sell it in your stores. I've been personally wanting these watercolor sets for like the longest time now, so it's really nice to be able to like bring these over and sell them. They got a whole range of categories of items and merch that you're able to purchase. I'm so happy to be able to bring these into the store. I feel like that's always like a plus when you're kind of like making stationery stuff. Why not get some pens to go with it? I'm not too well versed in like dip pens, but I know a lot of artists really admire like really well crafted pens. These guys are just so cute. The packaging is also very sweet. I'm sure like a lot of people will be loving these. And they got like cute little bunny illustrations, which really fits into just like all the art that we do in the store. But the categories go beyond just stationery. So there's like interior design, decor, fashion, books, and all that. Basically all the things that like accessory girlies like me or so are just like really into. We also got some of these uni pens. I think these are the ones that won the Japanese Stationery Awards. They're very well designed. I honestly just love like the packaging itself of these guys. And to match the bunny pens here, we've got some more pins. Oh, it's so cute. Beautiful little sailor pen, and it's got like the designs on the back. But in addition to all this like nice stationery and art supplies that they've given us, we also gotten some like incense. So Super Jewelry works with over 1,800 companies in Japan that bring over a lot of product that aren't as easily available overseas. There is no minimum MOQ for when you order, and this honestly is a great tool for small shops like me and Cub and Coney here to work with. So if you are also a small business kind of interested in branching out in these ways, I do have a link down below, and also you can sign up on their website. Now that everything's unpacked, I'm gonna go and barcode, put them in the system, you know, do all the business stuff, and then restock the shop. Yay! Alright, it is officially the end of the day, so I'm gonna just wrap up the shop, turn off all the lights, close up for the day. In actuality, I think I'm gonna be editing this vlog as I go home, but you know, as you do. Good night. Bye.